Today I'm going to show you how to make some yummy peanut butter blossom cookies. Here's what you'll need. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, a stick of butter, half cup of peanut butter. You're going to need a little bit more than a half cup of granulated sugar to coat it on the cookie dough later. You will also need a half cup of light brown sugar. You'll also need a large egg, a tablespoon of whatever liquid that you prefer, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, non-stick cooking spray or vegetable oil, and 60 pieces of unwrapped Hershey's Kisses. Sift together flour, baking soda, and salt. Now we set it aside. Using an electric mixer, cream together butter, peanut butter, half cup of granulated sugar, and light brown sugar. Add egg, milk, and vanilla. Beat until well blended. Gradually add flour mixture and mix it thoroughly. If the dough is very soft, refrigerate it and let it sit for about 1 hour. Preheat oven to 375 degrees. Spray oil or line the cookie sheet with non-stick liner and set it aside. Roll dough into 1-inch balls. Roll cookies in sugar and place 2 inches apart on cookie sheet. Bake until very light brown and puffed, like about 6 to 8 minutes. In the meantime, let's unwrap all of these kisses and get them ready to put it on the cookies. Now let's take the cookies out of the oven. This is what they look like after we bake them for the first 6 to 8 minutes. Now we need to press a candy kiss into the center of each cookie, allowing it to crack slightly. Return them to the oven until light golden brown, like about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the cookies from the oven and it'll be ready to serve. Now, did you know that you can make peanut butter blossom cookies in different ways? You can also use different types of chocolate to put on top of each cookie. The texture on the cookie feels soft and chewy, but tastes like regular peanut butter. And the texture of the Hershey Kisses feels sticky but tastes milky. What type of chocolate do you want to add on your peanut butter blossoms? Please post your answers in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Every recipe's a world of emotions, a world of surprises, flavors and colors. Mix it, stir it, keep it nice and steady. When we cook together, soon the recipes are ready.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.